Hey, what's up guys? You ever trim your beard at home and accidentally do this? So you're trying to trim up your beard, you're trying to clean it up in between haircuts, and I don't know, your wife called you, your kid came over and kicked you in the shin and did something weird and you took a whole chunk out of your beard. Now, your barber's not in your bathroom with you unless he's Hair by Eddie. Thanks, Hair by Eddie.
Hey, what's up?
All right, so now I messed up my beard. We took a chunk out.
Okay.
What if I'm a guy at home? What do I now do to even out the whole?
All right, so first off, what I would do is I would pick the number 8 clip and put it on.
It's the black clip. Okay.
And grab a comb.
Okay.
And comb down, exactly, down and out, and with the curvature of the clip, kind of ride the shape of your face.
And where am I starting? Am I starting?
So I would do.
The chunk came out here.
Yeah. So what I would do is, depending on how low you want to go. So what? Obviously, we don't have too many choices because you took a chunk out. What I would do is kind of go from where the chunk is. We're gonna start going this up yeah.
Towards the ear.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna start here, and we're gonna go down.
Down. Yeah.
Okay.
You hear it cutting a little bit. Now it looks like you may have gone a little low. Okay, there you go. So what he's doing now is you're going lower now. You're going into your neck.
Mm-hmm. Should I be doing that?
So it's gonna be as low as the chunk. Now your beard hair, you can grow. It can blend in with certain spots. What you're doing is you're gonna be kind of like making the shape of the beard. So don't do the 8 anymore.
Okay.
Now try to go down again. Use a 7. We're gonna do every clip, and now don't use it right here on the first one. Use it like where
a little higher.
Towards up,
okay.
Because we're gonna work our way up
And flat against
this part, the middle part.
the middle part.
Yeah. Is it not cutting?
Not in the middle part.
Not really? Okay, so angle it down a little bit.
Okay.
Don't go, yeah, there you go. So you see I was cutting very little bit? Because that's what we're doing, is cutting very little, gradually going lower. So now what you can do is get the 6.
Okay.
Now this is going to be a lengthy process because we're going through all the clips because we don't know how deep you went into your beard.
Okay.
Now again, the same thing, work your way up a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Now he took a decent chunk out of his beard because like you said, somebody startled him, did something, kicked you in the shin, right? But so he's not gonna have to shave his beard off. You're gonna cut a decent amount off of it, but we're gonna keep your beard. We're gonna salvage it. Now try the where we're at, number 5.
Number 5 is the green.
Green one.
Okay. Same
Now
thing.
again, the same thing, a little bit higher, very smidge. Yeah, there you go.
Good.
Now comb it out and make sure. I would probably try to trim like this.
Sideways a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit sideways. There you go. Alright. Careful, you got an ear there.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, cool.
Now, Eddie, I got some guys probably have it too. There's like these wings out here.
Yeah. So there's different ways to attack that. So what we would do is with no guard, you would try to trim it right there, and that's just to take some of the bulk out, and then you would comb it out, and then with the shears kind of clean it up.
Okay, so with these wings out here,
Go away, don't go down, never go down on your beard.
go away this
Yeah,
way.
yep.
And kind of where I think that it's gonna be like lined up with the shape, right?
Yeah, exactly. So your jawline, kind of go back. Now the top, don't worry about the top because we're going to hit it with the smaller clips. There you go. The whole point is to comb it out, see where it is, see some hairs, tap it. Comb it out, see where it is. There you go. There you go. Tap it. Comb it out. Tap it. Perfect. Now I would get the number 4 clip.
Okay. Number 4 is blue clip.
And now what you're doing is right here at the cheekbone, go up the bottom of the ear and the cheekbone and go up. All right, hold this down. Look at it. There you go. And you see how it's kind of your beard is kind of standing up. I would comb it down to see how it's laying. You see how it's already looking better?
Yeah, it looks way better already.
Already. Now you kind of again tap it out. Billy Madison, tap it in. Tap it in. It's not Billy Madison. It's Happy Gilmore.
Okay, that looks good.
What we can do is with a 3 and kind of go above. And so now we're kind of blending in the sideburn.
3 is the red clip. Same concept, just start higher.
Same concept, slightly higher. There you go. There you go. Now comb it out. You see what's kind of sticking up, what's not. See, it looks better already. Do it again. Actually, it looks pretty good. I would comb it out. And now see the number 2.
Okay. Number 2 is the brown orange clip.
Now higher. Remember, don't go at the bottom of your ear now. That was where the number 3 and 4 were. A little bit higher, probably the mid ear. I would try to go and see what that would cut. A little lower than that. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Now comb it out. See, look, it looks better already. Now comb it all out on this. Yeah, there you go. All right, cool. Now, what we can do now is I would start in the middle, take off the clip. Now you put a comb in one hand and comb it straight down. Put your head down though, your chin down. There you go. Comb it straight down. Now tap it in the middle where we're gonna start trimming. Now not as short as you want it, but where we're gonna start trimming.
All the way through?
Yeah, go all the way through. There you go.
It's like I'm digging a China.
Yeah, you are. Look at that. PT45 going through it.
This is what they refer to as a beard tunnel.
Now, comb it out. Yeah. And now, what you're doing is you're gonna go through your beard tunnel, and you're gonna start working your way up here. Now, don't go as low as you think, because remember, it's like objects are closer than what they've seen, right? So you need to kind of try to give it the shape first, and then we're gonna comb it out and give little by little.
So I'm basically trying to draw a line.
Exactly.
So that eventually you could imagine meeting.
Exactly.
Here, so it's like a line through there.
Exactly.
Yeah, so like a line.
Yeah.
There.
So what you did is you went a little. You took the chunk out the side. So what we're doing is we're shaping it into the shape of your face. You know, your chin. So go ahead. And now you're just making the shape, taking the bulk out of it. There you go, starting to give shape now. Look at him. Now do me a favor and comb it out. So now you see how it's starting to give it a little shape.
And now am I using a guard on this?
So it depends on how large the beard of the person that they're using has, because you, unfortunately, beard clip hasn't made a size 24 clip yet. So I probably wouldn't, because you would dig too deep. You would just take off your whole chin, you know? So what I would do is kind of like, same way we were doing it. So it's going to be a longer process, but you're hedging it down, you're shaping it, and you keep on softening it. This, don't touch anymore, because that's where you need to be at. I would just, this right here, this corner. Yeah. This, a little lower. Yeah. Now what you're doing is, there you go. Yep. Now put your chin up a little bit.
So basically I'm starting on the top and I'm like drawing a line down through.
You're kind of, you're shaping the beard. You're softening the edges.
I'm like making, it's like a round, making like a round
yes.
motion.
Yes. Now again, we're just taking the bulk out of it, because after you're done, we're gonna pick it all out. If you want, you can put some hairspray in it so it can stand out, and you can kind of trim it with the scissors. Now, step back and look into the beard. Mm-hmm. Put your chin up. See, it's already looking better. Now, what I would do is this corner now, mm-hmm. we'll kind of go like this into an angle.
So like straight in?
Never straight in to an angle. So you're going out, down, out,
down,
out. Yeah, so you're hardly touching anything when you're out, and then you're starting to go down.
Like that,
yeah.
Straight down.
Yeah, not straight down to an angle. Yeah. Now the reason why we're doing this is because, remember, you took a chunk out. It's lower to longer. All right, now don't go too high. There you go. But you see now, you see mm-hmm. how it's forming. Mm-hmm. All right. Now I would put your chin up and see if there's any hairs right here, and kind of clean them up. Yep, clean them up. Guys, be careful with the PT45 when you're doing that. You're trying to take very little. You don't want to go dig into your beard, because you're going to make a whole other problem again. Look at that. It looks good.
Yeah.
Right? Again, guys, we're being realistic. This is you doing it on yourself, so it's not going to be as good as when a barber does it, because we're stepped away from you, and we can see, and shape it. But it looks really good comparatively, right? Now, I would try to. Now we do the process again on this side.
Good.
Use the 8 clip.
Basically it's trimmed up, it's looking nice. I've fixed the hole, right? The hole is pretty much gone now. I have a shorter beard. I still have my beard, which is the most important part. This is so you don't really have to shave your beard off and start from scratch. It's just to salvage it, and then if you want to go to your barber like Eddie, and they can kind of really detail it and make it look nice at this new length, then that's probably what you're going to want to do if you do make a mistake like that. So, all right. So last steps, just to finish it off. We're going to the shears.
The shears. Now grab the comb in one hand and the shears, and what you're gonna do is just comb it out, mm-hmm. and you see just the crazy hairs, and just put it in quick snip. And now it's just the fine detailing work. Now this is just to make sure that you're not, you fixed up your beard, but you don't got a crazy hair, a couple mm-hmm. crazy hairs all over the place,
And it's always. You're never gonna point in.
Oh no!
You always keep the shear like flat.
Yeah. So do it parallel to the skin that you're using, that you're cutting, the side of the beard. See the long hair right there? Just yeah.
All right, so there you have it. Beard is fixed. No more hole. I still have my beard. It's a shorter length beard, but at least I didn't have to go ahead and shave it off. So thanks again to Hair by Eddie. Appreciate it. If you guys have any questions, be sure to hit us up at the Beard Club. Follow us. Be sure to follow Eddie at hairby_Eddie. Any questions, you can always ask him as well. He'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Make sure you follow. And again, beard's looking good, and I still have it because thou shalt not shave.